Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day today and ready for a delicious meal. Now we're gonna make paella. The ingredients are peeled shrimp, cubes of filet of fish, mussels, shrimp, whole shrimp. We're gonna clean and show you how to do it. Also we're gonna need calamari and we're gonna cut it in a slice. Carrot, peas, chopped tomato, chopped onion, a little bunch of parsley, garlic, 1.5 cup of rice, and the spices are cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, turmeric, cumin, 1 Goya Sàzon. Also, we're gonna need olive oil. Okay, this is how we clean the shrimp. Now we're gonna add our garlic that we chopped. And we keep stirring the onion with the garlic until it turns a little bit golden. Adding the seafood, we're going to start with the calamari. Sometimes it needs to be cooked a little bit longer than the shrimp and the fish. Now we're going to add our colorful pepper. Also, we're going to add the tomato. Then we're going to start adding our spices. 1 small spoon of cayenne pepper. 1.5 salt, 1 black pepper, turmeric, and 1.5 cumin. You're going to add the beef and the carrot. Stir it a little bit. Now we start adding the shrimp. And now also we're gonna add pieces of fish. And spread it all over. Now we're going to add the shrimp. Add a little bit of water. Now we're going to add the mussels. We're going to add the color. Bell pepper. We can cover it for about 10 minutes. Okay, now our paella is ready, cooked, and ready to serve.